unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
To create a balanced meal plan for weight maintenance, focus on incorporating a variety of food groups in each meal. Aim for a mix of lean proteins, whole grains, healthy fats, and fruits and vegetables. Ensuring portion control and balance is key. Start by filling half your plate with fruits and veggies, a quarter with whole grains like quinoa or brown rice, and the rest with lean proteins such as chicken, fish, or legumes. Don't forget to include healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and seeds. Drinking plenty of water and moderating high-calorie and high-sugar foods are also crucial for maintaining weight.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.